remotes, or share a remote with somebody next to you. There's little remotes in there. And when the kids come into class, I have these like little placemats that I made with animal cards that I got at Lakeshore that I've laminated together. And so I used to, this is how I often will do my seating charts too. I'll put the little placemat in the middle of the table. Girls line up on this side, boys line up on that side, and I just hand out cards and they have to go find their new seats. I actually find that it's a lot faster than when I used to try to play matchmaker of, oh, well that won't, oh, well that doesn't work, oh, I can't put that kid there. That by doing it randomly and then just fixing problems, every quarter I can change seats pretty quickly and it's easy. I also use these when we use remotes. So, you may or may not know, but on the tip of your remote there's a number, and that actually corresponds to their little placemat number here. But, let me switch to that. And, I set down my board. Okay, so with much fanfare, we will often play these games, and the kids get all excited when we do this. So, okay, here we go. So I'm able to come up here to select a student, and so this is remote number 31, and they would be sitting at the red-eyed tree frog seat, and so, okay, red-eyed tree frog, you get to pick. Do you want cell characteristics, organization of life, parts of a cell, or vocabulary? So we can go in. I'd like organization of life for 30. So let me make this a little bigger so you can read it. The thing that I like about this is I can control how much time there is to read. I'm one of those in Jeopardy that I might know the answer, but I'm never going to get it very fast. And so I read through this, I can pace it. A group of cells working together to perform the same function makes up a, or an, organism, an organ system, a tissue, or a structure. And so then I can hit start. What you will do is you'll choose either A, B, C, or D, and then you'll hit the right-hand blue button that's an enter key. Okay? So I can hit start, and they get to key in their answers. And I can change the timer. I can not stop it until everyone has keyed in their answer. Yeah?
What software program is
this? This is, I have them on my website, the instructions. And this is their CPS. That's also because I'm in the right order too. So I can look at how smart you people are. Good job. You all got it. So I can easily see what concepts everyone's got and whether or not they've got it. When I have a discrepancy, I can go back very quickly and go, ooh, okay, let's try that again, because that was not the right answer. So again, I can have, now it's the road runner's turn. So this makes it nice because I don't, it's not like you always pick on me, or you never pick on me. It's a computer, it picks. Yeah. The quiz, I haven't seen them at conferences too recently, but the Quizdom remotes, which was my first system that I had that I liked, those ones were really about who's got the fastest finger, and as soon as you had an answer, it was over. Well, my kids who can't read very quickly, who don't process the language, this one, I can guarantee an answer. I can change how much time I give, or I can not use a timer at all. I can not look at the answer until everybody has had the benefit. So I can force them to participate. And so it makes it nice, because then I can get everybody's opinion and they've got the time to do it. So again, you just go through. The cell wall, or just structure surrounding the cell membrane, is found. A, only in animal cells. B, only in plant cells. C, only in prokaryotic cells. Or D, in plant and animal cells. So I'll let you guys do one more here. Key in your answers. And because these are infrared, they don't have to point This has the capability of being able to do full exams by entering the answers. If I included the students' names rather than just an animal, I would be able to see each of their scores. I can get their names and their scores on my little screen. It has a lot of capabilities. I'm only touching the surface on it. I use it much more for just immediate engagement. What I know I need to kind of teach or reteach or go back over. So that kind of gives you that. There you go.
What is that in the middle?
Oh, so this, then I can go back. So toucan has gotten, has a 30 so far, ostrich. So I can scroll through and see what the scores were for the kids. And again, if you got the high score, you get to go. But I'm not going, John, you're smart. Again, I go, toucan, way to go. And you know, toucans evolve. And for the kids that are, you're not likely to know that platypus is the girl who doesn't participate. When I scroll through these, I can tell where that kid is sitting and that they may need more help, but the rest of the class doesn't have to look at her score and know that she didn't get it again. And so that's why I don't put the students' names. I have another colleague that does, because she uses this as a graded assignment. I don't use it as a graded assignment. I use it for participation and just general, did anyone understand what I was talking about? And where do we have big problems? Let's see.